Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another new video, and this video is specially for everyone. So finally I'm up with a video where I'm not only focusing on the beginners, but I'm focusing on everyone who knows makeup, who's learning makeup. So in this makeup I'm going to show you every single step you need to know to create a flawless makeup look. So I'm trying to cover all the minute details of the products, how to use it, how much to use it to create this kind of look. So I hope this video helps. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start the video. Before starting the makeup, don't forget to prep your skin. Your skincare, your pre-makeup skincare is very important. I'm using this cream from Garnier. It's Garnier Hydra Bomb. I'm going to apply it. Make sure you cover your face, and once you're done applying, press it into your skin. So the next thing which I'm going to do is prime my face. For that I'm using this Essence Primer. So this gives a very smooth finish to my face, a proper base where you can put your foundation, and then at the end press it into your skin. So I will let my skincare, whatever primer, moisturizer I've used to absorb in my skin. Till then we will start with the eye makeup. So using my favorite angled brush, using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette Velvet Rose, using this greyish black shade. Initially the outer line, like always, a little bit, don't make it dark, and now fill the inner part. Now I'm going to shape my eyebrows using Camouflage Essence Concealer in the shade Warm Toast with the flat brush. Take it through the borders and I'll blend it, and I'll come back to you soon. Now taking the same concealer, I'm going to prep my eye to apply eyeshadow. So using my finger to blend it. I'm quickly going to set my eye makeup using this Fit Me compact powder. Just pressing it on my eye this way. Now the next thing, we are going to start with the eyeshadow. I'm using this Beauty Glaze palette, Color Board palette from Amazon, and using this shade. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush and applying it on my crease. Just deposit this color on your crease and pack your crease with it. Now using the same brush, I'm just going to blend it really well. Now from the same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this shimmer shade and blend it really well. Now I'm quickly going to apply my eyeliner. I'm taking this from Essence. I'm going to fill it. So now let's start with the face makeup. The first thing I'm going to do is color correct my dark spots. I have a dark spot here around my lips, and I didn't sleep well last night, so I have dark under eye. Max Factor, it's Miracle Contouring Palette. Using this shade also under your eye and on your dark spots. So I'm done color correcting the areas. So for the foundation, I'm using this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me. It's in the shade 220. In this foundation, using my fingers to apply. Also don't forget your neck, which is very important. And using this Instant Fixing Spray from Essence, I'm going to put just 2 sprays on this. आपको जब like बहुत dark spots होते हैं, and then you apply this kind of directly your foundation without applying your color corrector, then your आपकी skin end में dark काली लगने लगती है. हमें अच्छे से color correct करना चाहिए, जिसके कारण वो नहीं हो सकता है. हम उसको prevent करेंगे. So remember, if you color correct your face well, you don't even need any concealer at all. You can see now, right now on my face, under my eye, around my lips, or on the dark spots which I had, it's like completely gone. Now we need to give proper cuts to our face. For that I'm going to use this contour cum bronzer. This is from brand Misceline from Hawaii shade, and I'm going to use this flat contour brush to do that. So मैं अपना jawbone follow कर रही हूँ. Keep it on the upper position like this, so it gives a perfect lift to your face. This I'm going to take product and also contour my jawbone just on the edge and drag it down. And also if you have a broad forehead, you can do it. I don't have much broad forehead, but I still like to do it on this side, so it gives a narrow look to my face. So this will give narrow look to my face on the side. Join from here, side, just downside. Quickly going to blend it in the downward direction. Using this Essence Fixing Powder in the shade Light. Light under your eye to avoid creasing. Usually there are people who really like to brighten the under eye. So we are also doing something like that. And now let this rest at least for 2 minutes. Take your sponge, the same sponge, press it into your skin and then take it off. Now we are going to quickly finish our eye makeup and I'll get back to you. I'm back. I did my lower lash line, my mascara and false lashes. Now let's go and do our next step. I'm using this Amazon brush number 54. It's a blush brush and using this Art Deco palette and mixing all the colors together. Make sure you don't take extra product, otherwise it will give a very pink or any color patch on your cheeks which you don't want. So apply it. I always like to lift my face, so that's the reason I am applying this way. Let's go to our second last step, which is highlighter. So I'm using this highlighter from Sleek Makeup Copper Plate palette, and from this I'm using this rose pink shade and just lifting it this way to give the face lift. I'm going to put little bit on my nose using my fingers. For that I feel comfortable using my fingers. I think now the last step is our lipstick. So I'm using this lip liner from Rival Loves Me in the shade 06. This is Nude 04 from Sleek Makeup. Only little, now using my finger. And that's pretty much it. So this is my final look. I have tried my best to include all the steps I can for you all to know that how you can create this flawless look. I just want to suggest you something, that whenever you're using and you're targeting to make your makeup look flawless, make sure you use less product. If you use more concealer, if you use more foundation, at the end it's going to crease, it's going to give you cakiness on your makeup and you don't want it. So you can create a flawless makeup look using less products as well, just like how we did now. So I hope this video helps, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Your support really means a lot, so please keep supporting. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.